हाउ टू कन्वर्ट पीडीएफ टू एक्सेल फाइल। तो पीडीएफ से एक्सेल फाइल में हमें कैसे कन्वर्ट करना है, आइए हम देखते हैं। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, you go to the description box and you get a link and click on that link. You can edit on this website page, and you can also open this website in laptop and Android mobile or Apple mobile. So mobile and system are also use this website, and it's absolutely free. And this website is easy for use. Then you can go for it. Then first of all, you select the PDF which you edit, you want to edit. So click on this select PDF file, and when you click on this, you can select the PDF. So I have this PDF name mark. So this is this PDF. I want to make this Excel file in. So you can select the file. So I have select this, and you can see a selection. After selection, you can see this PDF, and you can see the upgradation. No, I delete this. Only one PDF is here, but you can also select one more. Then I can also select uh, one PDF two times. So I cut it. Then click on no OCR, and OCR is the premium. So click on no OCR and click on the convert to Excel. So you can see here converting PDF to Excel, and the file is converted and download here. So click on this, and the file is automatically downloaded. You can see here, but if not started, then click on this. So you can see the file is download automatically. Then click on this, and the file is open in the Excel file, and click on close, and you can see click on enable editing. So click on enable editing, and you can see here the file will be open in the Excel file, and this is editable. So you can edit this and write this anything, and okay. So this is how to convert PDF to Excel file in tutorial. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this video is helpful for you. Then click on the subscribe button, and don't forget to like, share and comments on this video. If any question, then write in the comment box. I try to give your questions answer.